Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna walk over some basics of HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. It's the standard markup language for creating web pages. It has a very specific and simple format which consists of various elements and tags that we will be seeing in this video. So let's get started with it. Before getting into the coding part, this is the Visual Studio Code editor that I just downloaded and installed. It's the Mac version, so you can use any editor that you wish, or I just prefer this one. Okay, so the first one is the very first line of any basic HTML document should be the doc type HTML. This is nothing but a representation of the document type. It specifies that this is going to be an HTML document. The next tag is HTML tag. So everything that is going to be on your HTML page is going to go inside this HTML tag. It consists of two basic tags in there. The first is the head tag. The head tag is used to define the metadata of the HTML document. This metadata can include the document title, the character set, the styles if you want to use any scripts that you want to include in the HTML document, and any other metadata information about the page itself. So for example, let's just add a title here and say my title. Title is actually a required tag inside the head tag. It represents the title of your document. So this is going to show up on the tab where your on the browser where your HTML document is going to run. So that is why it is a required field or the required tag. The next one that goes inside the HTML tag itself is the body tag. So the body is the tag that defines the content of the page. The content can be anything, whatever you write on the page, any images that you have. So let's just begin with all the tags that would go inside the body tag. So let's start with the header tags. So header tags start with h1, and h1 being the most important one, and they end up to h6. So h1 is the most important one, so here we can give header 1, and let's just give header 6. Let's just give one more here, header 2, so that you can notice the difference. Okay, so then let's just run this for now and see how it looks on our browser. Let me refresh this. So this is how it looks. So see how small the h6 is, and that big is your first header tag. So that's h1. Now here you can actually even specify the style that you want for any tags. For example, here in h1 I'll just write a font size, for example, and let me give it 32px. Save it, and if I refresh, let me just give it here 48. Save. Okay, so 48 looks like that, and I guess 32 was just the default of the header tag itself, the first header one. So now if we go back, the next one that we're going to see is the paragraph tag. So it's p, and it is essentially used to write the paragraphs on your document. For example, it can be something like this. So here, let me just paste it again so that you can see how it actually looks. Save. And refresh. So see, this is my paragraph tag, and if I just copy this and write another paragraph. Actually, I just want to save this and run it. So that is how the paragraph tags look. Now there are other tags that can be used to represent or enhance the look of some of the keywords in the paragraph or any text on the page itself. So for example, you can use P for bold and put something in there, bold text. And if you save this and go here, refresh, so that's how it will look. Anything inside the B tag gets bold. The next one is if I want to make something italic, then I will just okay, italic. Save and refresh. So see, that's the italic text. So that was another one that you can just use to enhance or represent some words in the text that you want to enhance. Then the next one is if there is something in this lines that you want to put on the next line, then here you can just put a BR tag, which is used to break line. So now I have a BR tag there. If I go here and refresh, so see, it goes in the next line. So that's how the line break tag is used. Now the next one is the image tag. So here I'm just gonna go and write image, and it takes into itself a few attributes. The first one is source, which is used to specify what the source of your image is. If you want to provide an image on your document, then this is how you will do it. Paste, and here I'm gonna also specify the height. Let's make it 500, and the width also make it 500. And another one is alt, which is used to specify what the image is about. So if for some reason your image is not getting displayed, then this is just the default text that will show up there, indicating what the image is about. So let's just say test image for now. And now let's save this and go to the browser and refresh. So see, that's the image. And now if we go back here, and if we want a separation between the text and the image, then we can make use of a horizontal line break, which is represented using the HR tag. So if we save and go back, so that's the horizontal line. So this is a very simple HTML document that we just created, and you can obviously style all the tags and make the document prettier, but we will see all of that in the future videos. And thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe, and see you later.